You eat well, you sleep, yet the fatigue remains. In our modern world, we often focus on macronutrients like proteins and carbs, but we overlook the foundation. Trace minerals are the spark plugs of human chemistry. Without them, your cells cannot convert fuel into pure energy, leaving you feeling drained even after a full night's rest. The Earth used to provide these essential minerals naturally. Today, achieving peak vitality requires conscious supplementation. When you introduce pure, bioavailable minerals back into your system, your cellular engines awaken, your focus sharpens, and your natural resilience returns. True energy doesn't come from stimulants. It comes from biological harmony. At EmaSilva, we research and curate the purest mineral and nutritional protocols to restore your organic strength. To find the right solutions for your daily energy, visit our portal using the link below. Reclaim your vitality. Welcome to EmaSilva.